Hi everybody, today let me show you what I just got today from the store. La la la, look at this. Upside down. This one is a beef hamburger. Look the hamburger. They have 12 pieces in it, 12 burgers here. There's quarter of a pound each. Let's see here. You can see there's 48 ounces, 3 pounds total. And what else? And this is US inspection. Yeah, they stamp there. And they have here, and this you can see the like this. How about on this side? They have two way of the display. This one horizontal, another one is vertical. This is natural beef burger, and it's the no antibiotics ever, no hormones added, no animal byproducts, all vegetarian free, all natural. There's and they stem raised in the USA. And here, how does it look like? Okay. And the bottom of the box, they send their brand here. On the top of the box is the day of expiration, the best used by March 4, 2019, and the rest I don't know. Minimally processed, no artificial ingredients. And on the side here is nutrition facts and instruction how to cook it. As uncooked, because most people thought it's cooked and they eat, and another problem is to keep frozen. And nutrition facts here. They have the serving 4 ounces, serving container for 12, and the calories 280 calories from fat is 200 daily value. Total fat 22 grams is 34%, and that 22 grams they have 8 grams of saturated fat as a take 40% of 34%. Then system fat 1.5 grams, vitamin A 0, calcium 2%, vitamin C 0, iron 10%. And ingredients they have beef raised without antibiotics. In the cooking instruction here, do not microwave. You can place a hamburger on a preheat skillet or grill. Flip hamburgers over and cook until internal temperature reaches 170 degrees. Serve and enjoy. And here instruction handling instruction here. You see these products were prepared from inspected and passed meat and or poultry. Some food products may contain bacteria that could cause illness if the product is mishandled or cooked improperly. For your protection, follow these cell handling instructions. Keep refrigerated or frozen. Throw in a refrigerator or microwave. Keep raw meat and poultry separate from other foods. Working surface, including cutting board, utensils, and hands after touching the raw meat or poultry, and cook thoroughly. Hot foods, hot, refrigerate leftovers immediately or discard. And distributed by Coleman Natural, blah blah blah. And here. And this side, and let's go move this side. And this one is beef and cooked burgers. They're Promise. At the Coleman Natural, we believe saying no is a good thing. It's how to stay clear of what not real and keep the meat we raise as wholesome as possible. We know in our heart that if it's not right for animals we care for, all the families we serve, we say no and always will. It's a principle we stood by with our farmers and their families for over 125 years. Plans and symbol, real farmers, real ingredients, real good. That's only trademark, so don't copy this one because they're trademark. TM. Okay, let me open it so you can see inside. Let's see what open right here. They have the mark here for you to open. Is the right place? I have no idea. Let me open it. Excuse me. Probably I got the wrong place. Oh no, right. It's the right place. Okay, here. It's the one package. How many are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here is another one. So cool package. Okay, that's me go to cook it. So this hi. Thank you for watching. See you next video. If I have something for you to want to share you, I will share. I'm going to cook it. I cook with my little oven. I turn the heat high. So okay, thank you for watching. See you next video. Yep, I will show. Okay, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe so you will know when I post a new video. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you. Hamburger.